2011 Demolition Derby. Today you're going to see a number of cars competing in the prestigious Placard Cup. There'll be interviews with the drivers, we might have interviews after on with the winner and a number of the crowd, and it's going to be pretty good. As you can see behind me, there's a lot of cars. We've probably got a field of about 10 this evening, and I think it's going to be one of the best derbies yet. We've got the slingshot in operation at the moment. This is going to be a very good day, and I hope you all enjoy. So sit back, relax. I mean, I don't know where you're sitting or what you're doing. You might be standing up. If so, probably sit down. That's going to be a lot better for you. But whatever the situation you're watching this in, just enjoy. Therefore,
Stop it!
First dual winner of the Clacker Cup. How do you feel?
I fucking believe that. On behalf of David Fowler. Wait up, Fowler.
Oh, there's Lady's coming. Wait. Can't say work it, mate. Let's get it on Duncan. Keep it on Duncan.
It's the Duncan! He's so blue! He's a legend who will blue! He's a master, so they say! Everybody went the other way, singing down, 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 down.
It's got bloody curlers.
I don't get
Well done, dude. Beautiful. Good stuff, boys.
Don't go, look, your weird keys on your
Better man won. Better man. She kept going on the rim. Three cheers for the Clackers family for putting up a rescue. Hey! Hey! Three cheers for home hill beating ass. Oh, there's only one. Hip hip. Duncan two. He's got two.
The other Duncan threw it away. Revenge on me.
Oh, Duncan didn't get fucked up.
I think I broke my neck.
It was worth it. It was worth it. It was worth it. It was worth it.
Let's burn this thing.
Yeah, the great winners get burned. Get to the bride! The bride! Write a song for Duncan, the greatest Derby driver in history.
This way. Oh, Duncan won. He won very good. He made me so hard. Oh, I got wood. Oh yeah, I got a red chair. And so does Sabrina.
We're on with Sabrina now.
Ballerina, Wiener.
Oh, she can dance. Just like Justin Timberlake.
Thank you. 2011 Clacker Cup for the second time. How are you feeling?
Feeling fucking stoked, mate. I threw my brand new I can't win. Smashed it in the big. I don't know what
It's all worth it. It's all worth it.
That's what we're here for. That's what we're here for.
Oh, look at the abs.
Everyone thought that the Utes were going to win. I was fucking pessimistic about the chances of the old Lancer here, mate. She's probably one of the smallest in the competition.
Zooming to the rim.
She's pulled through, mate. She's pulled fucking through beautifully. I think it's been proven that it doesn't matter whether there's Utes or not.
About the driver, really.
Well, it's about the luck, yeah.
And the driver.
Of course, yeah.
Drop him. Good work. Enjoy your night. Well, at least you're not shitting your pants.
Yeah, well, that's last year. That might have been my problem. Blame it on the shit in my pants last year.
Shit when you won.
No, I shit my pants last year when I had diarrhea.
That was when you won. You won when you were.
Oh, I did. Well, maybe it's that shit.
Well, you got one with shit and one without. So who knows? Next year, we'll see what happens. Chris, talk to me. What happened?
Oh mate, me bad. I just made too many wrong decisions. That's what happened.
Shame, disappointed,
Disappointed, never ashamed.
but at the same time, we're pretty happy that Duncan's won and stayed home.
I know, Bass is still in the family.
You didn't win. What happened? What's wrong with your face?
The Kia was running like a dream, and then I got a bit overconfident and carried away and thought the Kia could take people out front on, and no deal.
So you didn't stick with your ROD?
No, I left the reverse or die plan and got nailed with the airbag, and then it was all downhill after that.
I did see the airbag. That was insane.
The airbag was pretty good, man.
Did it like block you when you go?
Nah, it went off, but it didn't hit me in the face. So.
Yeah. You were back cruising,
Yeah, lucky.
just cruising like
I was
that.
cruising on Sunday driving.
Yeah.
Lucky I wasn't in a real accident, otherwise I would have died. Because the airbag did shit.
Thank you very much.
Muchas gracias por Derby Day.
You Mango, what happened, mate? What happened? What happened?
Lost focus.
When you were driving? Mango, give us a call about temp gauge. Your temp gauge.
I'm depressed. I can't talk about it.
He's impressed. He can't talk about it.
We'll zoom in on that. We'll zoom in on that.
This was my year. Now, do you want to know?
Why are you
There is
so?
an
Why are you
excuse. I
so?
would have taken it out.
Why are you so impressed?
I'm depressed.
What's that, mate? What was that?
My key, when I put it to on, and you know how when you let it go, it sort of flicks back to accessories?
Yep.
Well, it was that rusted because it had sat from the thing last year. You turn it on, it would stay and keep engaging the starter even when the engine started.
Yep.
And I knew that,
Yep.
but I was that drunk that I went ring it and then it started. Then I just took my hand off. You gotta manually turn it back to accessories.
no, mate.
So it was running all good, but it fucked the start. It burnt the starter.
It was
out.
driver error.
Yeah, my error. That's why I'm unhappy.
No, he broke it though. Get it, mate. Okay, that's the end of the Derby for another year. We'll be back next year. We're a deserving winner. We had Duncan. He won. Carrie Ann, Salad Queen, Sweet, rub your titties. Thank you.